one of the most frustrating situations when you're a member of a group are those truncated efforts for progress, when you keep hitting up against a wall and not being able to reach consensus and move forward. It's frustrating, isn't it? So today I'm going to share with you the one thing that is always a contributor to that lack of progress and how you can move past it. So anytime there's a breakdown in progress, this is going on at least on one side of the equation, if not both. Or maybe there's multiple sides vying for attention and trying to get their way. In at least one of those circumstances, there's a lack of understanding and compassion for what the others are trying to contribute. If you can create an understanding and appreciation and openness to all of those other ideas, it's easy to bridge the gap, to facilitate moving forward, usually by a combination of those ideas. One person or group never has all of the answers. If we're not open to those other perspectives, progress isn't created. It comes from diverse thinking. We need to have diversity of thought in order to make progress. And when you see it that way and can stay open to those other perspectives, and everyone else can too, it's easier to bridge that gap. Now, hopefully you have already agreed on an outcome, what the overall goal is. If you've agreed on that, you just need to have compassion and understanding of where those other perspectives are coming from. You don't have to agree with them, but you need to understand them and be willing to listen and piece some of that together for the best path forward. It's like little pieces coming together on a beautiful mosaic. It's so much better than just one person's perspective. That's the only way to make real progress. Be sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.